Thank you so much, Arshada. So as we all know why we are here, I will take you ahead with a small poem or a small speech which you can say. मैं बेटी हूँ, मुझे बेटी ही रहने दो। मैं बेटी हूँ, मुझे बेटी ही रहने दो। आज जो दिल में है वो दिल खोल कर कहने दो। लोगों ने कहा तुम बेटी हो, शादी कर लो, सेटल हो जाओ, अच्छा लगेगा। काम, तरक्की, इन सब से क्या मिलेगा? ये सब वो सुख नहीं देगा जो बच्चे देगा। Reality check. I am in NCA, Government College of NCA, where I live alone. I enjoy my freedom and also I just don't sit and move on. बचपन से ये कहा गया था कि एक राजा घोड़े पे चढ़ के आएगा, तो ये कभी नहीं बताया था कि वो अपने महल ले जाकर अपनी कुट बनाएगा। Also, as a kid, I always heard about Jhansi ki Rani. The very first line of the poem said that she was Mardani. But in that, she, as a chicken, beheaded thousands of men. At the same time, the power was also given to all the men. I have been working on myself from years now. But still, one of my relatives said me, अगर ये नहीं कर पाई तो आगे क्या होगा? ये नहीं कर पाई से मतलब अगर दाल फ्राई और भिंडी दो प्याज़ा नहीं बनाया तो आगे क्या आएगा? Yes, I cook food and I have learned a lot. I cook food and I have learned a lot, not because the need was primal as a woman, but it was necessary for a survival of a woman. Welcome to all the dignitaries and all our respected ma'am and sir in our event. This is Women's Day. Now, everyone would have made tea in their life at least once, isn't it?
Yes.
So there are two ingredients, that is tea and sugar. In that, as these two ingredients are important for tea, the same women and men are important for this life in our journey. Now, what is the role of sugar? Sugar adds taste as that of women, but without men, we cannot go ahead. That is the role of tea. So, by this, our generation is too much into comparing women and men together that they are applying a law where women should do whatever a man can do. But our great honorable, our great honorable founder of CEO, she said, women are not here to be created a world that can be done by what men do, but women are born to do what a man can't do. So this has been said by Sudha Murthy. So, as we all know, today is International Women's Day, which has been celebrated globally on 8th of March. Anyone know what is the significance behind it, or anyone know why is it being celebrated? Is there anyone? Yeah. So, back from 1909, Americans have celebrated Women's Day for 15,000 women who protested against many issues in their New York City. That is when we started following Women's Day and celebrating their achievements. Now, the significant and the main aim behind celebrating Women's Day is celebrating the achievements of every woman in every area, like teachers, doctors, politicians, and everything. Now, the very important example may be Mother Teresa, Sindhutai Sabkar. Everyone know her?
Yes.
She is no more, but then whatever she has done in her life with a lot of hard work and grace. Also, there are many things that can be said that Women's Day should be celebrated just on 8th of March. Is it like that? Many of you have wished your mother, your friends, your sisters that happy Women's Day. But there comes a short poem. तुम लड़की हो, तुम लड़की हो, जरा देख के चलना, तुम लड़की हो, जरा सोच के बात करना, तुम लड़की हो, चार लड़कों में मत बैठना, तुम लड़की हो, जरा धीरे बात करना, तुम लड़की हो, अच्छे कपड़े पहन के चलना, तुम लड़की हो, सोच समझ के चलना. This is all we have heard But also, I will not just speak about these things. There are a lot of women in our society who have gained their name. The very first woman who was an astronaut. We should also remember these women who have been working so hard for themselves and also being so selfless towards our country. So, on the occasion of International Women's Day, I would like to call our staff, Shubhangi ma'am, Rohit Sharana ma'am, and Rohit ma'am on stage. Respected CR, please come and just felicitate Shubhangi ma'am.
फोटो नहीं काढते का रे
People are going to do today will not be that much of important because all the work you have been doing, handling your household things and then coming here, then following our students, helping us towards going every step ahead. I would just ask and request you ma'am to just come on the stage and express whatever your gratitude is towards us, towards whatever you have experienced till now. So one by one it is mandatory, you have to come and then just speak whatever it is there. First I'll go with you.
First from girls, then after.
Actually, there are a lot of
म्हणजे मुलींनीच नाही मुलांपैकी पण ज्यालाही बोलायचं असेल.
So many of them you have prepared a speech for on Teachers Day. Anyone can come for you. Yogesh.
Hello everyone, thanks for this opportunity. First of all, I would like to simply share my personal experiences on this occasion of Women's Day, which is a precious and occasion that we have. First of all, what I believe strongly is my mere existence is only because of my mother and my grandmother. They have given me everything that what I am. So this is how it is. So moving ahead, another thing I have to tell about importance and impact of women in our history. And the best example I feel is Jijamata, the Hindu Swarajya. The idea of Hindu Swarajya was basically conceived by Shahaji Raje and Jijamata. And Jijamata actually inculcated the overall idea of Swarajya in the mind of Shivaji Maharaj, and it is ultimately resulted into the Hindu Swarajya we have. And it ultimately destroyed the invaders' rule which happened for centuries. So that's how it went. Another thing which I have to feel that we keep hearing the thing called as Mulgi Shikri Pragati Thali is a very famous slogan. But what actually it is not just a government scheme, but actually the real thing how it will impact. That if a girl is actually gets educated, the whole family grows and ahead after then society becomes evolved and ultimately it results into simply the evolution of humanity. So the key to evolve as a humanity we have is empowering the woman. This is the basic thing I feel strongly. Another thing which I have personally experienced is we keep very gradually, we have had a patriarchy since thousands of years and we have developed a subtle mindset and we even don't know that we have such kind of mindset. Like if someone says, why are you crying? Are you a girl? So what does that mean? Similarly, you are trying to imply that only girls can cry and crying is trying to show that how girls are and everything. But reality, what I have felt, what I have experienced is that girls are more strong in terms of their, what we can say, emotions. They have a high emotional intelligence, and their mental toughness is far beyond their boys. This is what I have experienced. So that's how it is. I have seen this in my life. So these mentality people have that, if you are a girl, are you a girl, if you are a man, this needs to change. Because if we really want to change the external circumstances we have, the basic thing we have to start our thinking from thinking. Because if we have to change the external world, the basic thing is we have to first change your internal world. So as we have the 50% population, so how important it is for us. So the growth of women is very important for us. It cannot be neglected. As I said earlier, growth of a woman will ultimately result in the growth of family, then the society, and then ultimately country, and then ultimately humanity. So the basic thing, as I said, women empowerment is going to be extremely important. Another thing which I have felt strongly, that girls are doing extremely great job compared to boys. What I have felt, that they have, and even if I have to take example of Sonali as a CR, she has performed exceptionally well. What I like, we are able to do in 3-4 days, they just finish it in one day and they are free like everything. And so like that. I strongly believe we need to learn from them, and I was always curious that in every exam we see that girls are doing best everywhere, and I was extremely curious that why exactly this is happening. What is the fundamental thing behind this? So I started observing how things work, and so actually this may sound very normal, but what I felt is that they are very sincere, disciplined, persistent about their thing, and the kind of dedication and what the word was. Okay, I will recall it, but the hard work they put into and sincerity, these are the basic things they follow, and they do every single and small thing with the utmost delicacy, what we can say, utmost care. So doing small things in a better way actually ends up into happening great things instead of trying to do a big thing in one go. So I think this is the difference what I feel, and I think I need to learn that from. Even my sister does the same thing, she is doing great, and that's what I feel different with girls. So I have a personal story with regarding this all that I strongly believe that my aunt, who actually has worked for like 25 years in IT industry, and she aspired to be a CTO of a MNC. But she said that okay, it's a great ambition I have, but the reality is slightly different. We have a strong patriarchal society, and in MNCs it is not accepted to have a CTO as a female. This is a poor reality which she told me. And I felt it very bad at that moment, and so it's a reality, cannot be accepted. But I strongly believe that as a youth, we are like 20 to 30, we are in the prime phase of our life, and actually we say like India, we are India simply because we are everything. So I think we need to change these adaptations, and we need to do what they were not able to do. And I would love to see any of my friends to be a CTO of any IT company, and I would love that. So yeah, this is the only thing I wanted to say.
Very, very good, Yogesh. Please give a huge round of applause. So, before anything, we FY of MCA, we have decided to give a gift to our staff. So, everyone please come on stage, and we have a gift for everyone. So, please. It is
Women's Day. Women's Day.
it is for our
So on our behalf, they are going to accept. We are for NCA department, all women's faculty are requested to accept.
हर्षदा हर्षदा आता परत सुरू झालं.
So I would like to call Harshada. Shani ma'am and Rika ma'am, please come on stage. We would like to present. Harshada, please come on stage. Now I would like to call Akash. Please give his speech.
First of all, good afternoon, respected sir, madam, and all my fellow mates. I haven't prepared very much, but I have written a few lines which I would like to share with you. So, I am standing before you to say a few words on the International Women's Day. Globally, the International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th of March to honor all the achievements of women in various fields. This celebration gives acknowledgement to those women's personalities who have excelled in their fields. Certainly, women have contributed significantly to the welfare of the society and country subsequently. Furthermore, Women's Day possesses a great significance and is becoming a custom year after year. Moreover, this celebration is a signal of appreciation, respect, love and care to all those women in our lives and in our society. This Women's Day, here to every single woman who fights all the odds every single day with a spring in her step, a fist bump, a high five, a toast, and most importantly, a smile. Hashtag power to her. Now, as all of you know, the two main factors of Women's Day is empowering of women and independence of women. Though we have managed to cover this all the points year after year, but I still think that there is a lacking of empowerment of women in our society today also. So I would like to say a few words regarding that. It is a great responsibility to empower women. Also, it is necessary for gender equality. Moreover, society is better when women are given equal respect and are not taken for granted. In the past, women were restricted in homes and were not permissible to step out of the house for work. Their household responsibilities are their only areas of work. This was the thinking of earlier men. But with the time, the society has seen many changes. Furthermore, this generation trusts and values more women with great responsibility. Now, women are given equal opportunity at work and allowed to stand at times ahead of men in many fields. Women today have begun realizing their strengths and abilities and are ready to step out of their homes, contributing to the success of their home and the entire society. Women are indeed making the world turn heads towards themselves. Also, it was not possible before, but now women are able to make the world turn their heads towards them. The participation of women is most effective to lift any community, company, and country. In addition, the participation of women makes peace agreements stronger, society more strong, and economics more dynamic. Thus, on this International Women's Day, let's recognize the significance of women in our life and on society, and inspire them for greater future achievements as they contribute equally to the home, society, and nations. I have listed a few principles which will help us in empowering women in our current situation. The first principle is we can create a high-level corporate leadership for gender equality. The second principle is we can treat all people fairly at work, respecting and supporting non-discrimination and human rights. Then the next principle is we can ensure the health, well-being and safety of all workers, whether it's a male or a female. Then the principle number 4 is we can promote education, training and professional development for women. We can implement supply chain, marketing practices and enterprise development that empower women. Champion quality through community initiatives and advocacy is a plus point for empowering of women. The last and the foremost principle is we can measure and report publicly on progress to create gender equality. So, as you all know, I am an outsider and I haven't met my parents and I am missing my mom right now. So, I have written a small line for her. Thank you, Mom, you are an extraordinary woman. Thank you for raising me. You taught me to never cry and get up every time I fell. Thank you. For all the women around the world, cheers to a women who never stop crying one more time. You taught me what endurance and hard work are. Happy Women's Day. You are the creator, the destroyer of evil, you are the saint and you are the guide. Life without you would have been impossible. This is the day to celebrate God's best and most beautiful creation. Happy Women's Day. I would like to end by saying a line: women gives you your women gives you our entire world. So it's time to make the world a better place for her. Thank you.
Indeed, it was a great speech, Akash. Very well done. Thank you so much for being so kind towards your words and giving extra knowledge about what a woman can do also with their household opportunities. So now I would like to call Adarsh to please give upon his speech.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून सर मैम। मेरा नाम आदर्श है। मैं हिंदी में स्पीच देना चाहूँगा। आई हैव नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड बट व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू से इज व्हाट इज माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस। तो मेरी फैमिली जॉइंट फैमिली है, जिसमें मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शायद इस क्लास में मुझसे ज़्यादा किसी को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगा कि वुमेन का इम्पैक्ट किसी पर क्या होता है। मेरे फैमिली में मेरी मम्मी, बड़ी माँ, मुझे 3 बहनें हैं, मेरी दादी, मेरी बुआ और मेरे पिताजी। तो पिताजी तो डेफिनेटली उनके काम में बिजी रहते हैं और मैं जब घर पे रहता हूँ मेरे फैमिली के साथ, तो मुझे 3 बहना है, वो बहनें तो वो मुझे बहुत परेशान करती है, मेरी मम्मा, मेरे बड़ी माँ। लेकिन उन सब से मुझे इतना कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। लाइक मेरी मम्मी की आज तबीयत थोड़ी ख़राब थी बट उन्होंने फिर भी सुबह उठ के, मुझे पता नहीं था, मेरा ड्रेस निकाल के उसे इस्त्री वगैरह करके रख दिया। उससे मुझे मुझे खुद को बुरा लगा कि काश मैं खुद 7 बजे तक उठ जाता और खुद ही काम कर लेता। वो बीमार थे फिर भी उन्होंने मेरे लिए ये करके दिया कि नहीं, तू तो उठता नहीं था, तुझे जाना है कॉलेज में अच्छे कपड़े पहन के। तो उनसे इतना कुछ सीखने को मुझे मिलता है। मेरे बहनों से my parents have always put me to coaching classes to get good marks. Definitely our education system wants good grades, but I have never got more than 90%. My sisters, they get more than 90% without going to coaching classes. So like मुझे ऐसा घर में कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे कुछ है नहीं। मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, मुझे 80% मार्क्स मिलते हैं कोचिंग क्लासेस जाके बहुत मेहनत करके। 90% में कभी नहीं, वो बिना कोचिंग के 90% ला लेते, फर्स्ट आ जाते हैं क्लास में और फिर भी घर के सारे काम करते हैं। मेरी बहनें खाना पकाती है, मम्मी को काम में हेल्प करती है और मैं बस बैठा रहता हूँ, मुझे सब हाथ में मिल जाता है। तो मैं आज सभी के सामने मेरे सभी गर्ल्स को, वुमेन्स को मैं थैंक यू करना चाहता हूँ सभी की तरफ से, क्योंकि आपका डेडिकेशन और आप जिस तरह से सबके लिए कंट्रीब्यूशन, सबको सपोर्ट करते हो, वो बहुत ही अच्छा है। सो थैंक यू।
स्टिल मतलब आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप अच्छे से निभाते हो, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट थिंग. ऑनरेबल HOD, would you like to speak something about it?
Very good afternoon, everyone. Respected faculty members, supporting staff, and media friends. With your kind permission, I will like to speak in Marathi. सगळ्यांना ऐकलं असेल, गुरु ब्रह्मा, गुरु विष्णू, गुरुदेव महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म, तस्मै तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. हे गुरुजनांसाठी नाही आहे, तर ही जी पहिली गुरु जी ह्या जगात आणते, सांभाळ करते आणि मोठं करून तुम्हाला जगात पाठवते. So, okay. I am a bit touched by whatever most of the people have spoken about the mother, the female part on this particular day. मित्रांनो, कळत न कळत आपण ते सगळं करत असतो, जाणून बुजून करत असतो. आणि आजच्या घडीला आजचा हा महत्त्वाचा दिवस आहे. ह्या दिवसाचा थीम जरी अमेरिकन असला तरी त्यांनी जेंडर इक्वॅलिटी देण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. बऱ्याचशा वर्षापासून वर्षानुवर्ष आपण बघतोय की सोसायटल ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन होण्याच्या मार्गावर आपण आहोत, पण अजूनही काही रूढी, काही प्रथा ह्या बदललेल्या नाही. माझ्या मते सगळ्यात मोठं ऋण आपल्याला मातेनंतर धरणी मातेचं आहे, कारण की प्रत्येक गोष्ट ही आपण धरतीतनं घेतो, आपण स्वतःसुद्धा धरतीतनं घेतो. पंचतत्व आपले जे आहे ते सगळे, आणि आपण पंचतत्वातच विलीन होतो, म्हणजे धरतीतच विलीन होतो. तर माझ्यामध्ये धरती मातेचं सगळ्यात मोठं ऋण आहे, जे आपण फेडण्याचा प्रयत्न करायला पाहिजे. बरेचसे लोक म्हणतात की मग झाडं तरी लावा, झाडं जगवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा, त्यांनी थोडं तरी ऋण फेडण्याचा आपण प्रयत्न करू शकतो. थोडं पुढे जर आपण विचार केला तर मातेच्या स्वरूपात येणारी म्हणजे गीता माता. स्वतः भगवंताच्या मुखातनं जे काही पडलं आहे ते जे काही टिपून ठेवण्यात आलं, आणि जे सगळ्यांना आताही, म्हणजे तुम्ही जर अमेरिकेतल्याही जरी मोठ्या स्टॉलवर्ड्सला विचारलं तर त्यांचं म्हणणं आहे की जे काही आम्हाला गीतेतनं मिळतं ते कदाचित इतर कुठनं मिळणार नाही, अशी ही गीता. तर त्यांचे पण खूप ऋण आहेत, किंवा तुम्ही कुठल्याही अँगलनी जरी विचार केला, जे काही भगवंताने सांगितलं असेल त्याचे काही श्लोकांमध्ये रूपांतरित ते अवेलेबल आहेत. लोक क्लासेस करतात, शिकतात, समजून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात, आणि वेगळ्या वेगळ्या अँगलनी आपण त्याचा अजूनही विचार करतो. 10,000 वर्षाआधी सांगितलेलं, लिखाण करून ठेवलेलं आणि वेगळ्या वेगळ्या वेदांमध्ये त्याचं रिफ्लेक्शन आहे, ते आज सुद्धा आपण करतो. त्या गीतेवर ज्ञानेश्वर माऊलींनी टीका केली आहे, ज्ञानेश्वरी लिहिलेली आहे. आपल्यासाठी अतिशय जिव्हाळ्याचा विषय आहे, आणि ज्ञानेश्वरांनी स्वतः, ज्ञानेश्वरांना माऊली म्हणतात, म्हणजे जे कोणी प्रेम देऊ शकतं ती माऊलीशिवाय कोणी नसू शकते. इतकं गाढ ज्ञान त्या गीतेत आहे. त्याच्या इतर किती लोकांनी कितीतरी टीका केल्या तरी वेगळ्या वेगळ्या स्वरूपात त्या गीता मातेतनं आपल्याला काही ना काही शिकायला मिळतं. उद्देश हाच की का मी बदलू शकतो, क्या मैं बदल सकता हूँ. आणि हे जर आपल्याला समजायचं असेल, बघायचं असेल, तर आपल्याला अंतर्ज्ञान व्हावं लागेल, अंतर्मुख व्हावं लागेल. जे काही आपण करतो जगात ते बहिर्मुख आहे. आपण कोणाच्या चेहऱ्यावर चेहरा देतो, त्याच्यानंतर मग त्याचे रिॲक्शन्स होतात, ॲक्शन्स होतात, भांडाभांडी होते, वादावाद होतात, कलह होतात, प्रेम असतं, वात्सल्य, सगळे भाव त्याच्यात येतात. पण सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं जे मातेचं गुण आपल्याला मिळतं हे आपल्याला त्या गीतेतनं आणि ह्याच्यातनं आपल्याला शिकायचं असं मला वाटतं. मी स्वतः सुद्धा प्रयत्न करतो आहे गीता शिकण्याचा. आजचा दिवस मिअर फॉर्मॅलिटी व्हायला नको असं माझं प्रांजळ मत आहे. आमच्या मित्रांनी सांगितलं की त्याला जसं घरातनं केअर मिळते, आई आहे, आजी आहे, ताई आहे, हे फक्त एकाच काही चित्र नाही, ऑलमोस्ट सगळ्यांचं चित्र आहे. फक्त कोणी शब्दात मांडतं, कोणी मांडू शकत नाही. याचा अर्थ त्या भावना नाहीत असं नाही, ह्या सगळ्यांच्याच आहेत. कुणी पोचवल्या, कुणी नाही पोचवल्या. याचाच अर्थ असा आहे की पुरुष दिन नसतो का? बाकी सर्व दिवस हे पुरुष दिनच असतात, पण आजच्या दिवस पुरुष दीर्घ म्हणजे दिन दीर्घ. पुरुष हा दिन आहे आणि महिला दिन आहे. मला एवढंच म्हणायचं आहे की फक्त दिवसापुरती तुमच्या भावना मर्यादित न ठेवता त्या निरंतर टिकवण्याचा मनापासनं जर प्रयत्न केला तर हे खूप छान होईल. आणि तुम्ही दिलेलं गिफ्ट मला खूप आवडलेलं आहे. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. शॉल सगळ्यांसाठी चॉकलेट आणलेलं आहे. प्लीज या टेक केअर. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you so much, sir. सर थोड़ा सा तो बोल दो मैम, आ जाओ.
ऑनलाईन केल्यानंतर हा आणि सगळ्यांनी छान ऑर्गनाईज केलं, थँक्यू. आणि फक्त टीचर्ससाठी नाही पण सगळ्याच गर्ल्ससाठी हा प्रोग्राम आहे आणि असायला पाहिजे. हॅपी वुमेन्स डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू. जेवढी आयडियल लोक आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये मॅक्सिमम म्हणजे माझ्या मते बऱ्याचशा स्त्रिया आहेत. आपण जेही एक आदर्श म्हणून ज्या व्यक्तींकडे पाहतो, जसं की तुम्ही आता कोणी ना कोणी तुमचे आदर्श असतील किंवा घरातील असेल, कुठल्या व्यक्तींमध्ये बनेल असतील. APJ अब्दुल कलाम आहे, शिवाजी महाराज आहे, सावित्रीबाई फुले, जिजामाता. याच्यामध्ये स्त्रियांकडून ज्या गोष्टी शिकण्यासारख्या मला वाटतं जेवढेही आपले आदर्श लोक आहेत त्याच्यामधल्या काही स्त्रियांची तुम्ही जर काही वाचन केलं असेल, पुस्तकं वाचली असतील किंवा त्यातून आपल्याला ज्या गोष्टी शिकायला मिळतात स्पेशली तुम्ही तरी वाचायला पाहिजे असं मला वाटतं. माझ्या म्हणजे जेवढेही आदर्श आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये जिजामाता आणि सुधामूर्ती यांचं खूप वाचन केलेलं आहे. म्हणजे आता जेवढा वेळ मिळतो त्याच्याप्रमाणे कारण आता टेक्निकल पुस्तकं जास्त वाचून त्यामुळे मला म्हणजे त्यातून खूप गोष्टी शिकण्याचा मी तरी प्रयत्न करते आणि मला वाटतं प्रत्येकाने ते शिकावं आणि त्यातून काही ना काही आदर्श घ्यावा. म्हणजे मुलींनीच नाही, मुलांनी प्रत्येकानेच त्या गोष्टी शिकण्यासारख्या आहेत. आपल्याकडे आता जेवढे आपण बघतो मुलींना जेवढं स्वातंत्र्य मिळालेलं आहे आणि त्याचा तर पुरेपूर उपयोग करून घेतात शिक्षणासाठी, करिअरसाठी आणि सगळ्या गोष्टी मॅनेज करणं घरातल्या बाहेरच्या. आणि तर त्यासाठी सगळ्यांचा जर जेवढा सपोर्ट फॅमिलीचा असेल तेवढंच मी पुढे जाऊ शकतं ते तर आहे. पण सपोर्ट शिवाय पण म्हणजे सपोर्ट असेल ती गोष्ट चांगलीच आहे, पण आपण स्वतः प्रत्येक गोष्ट इंडिपेंडेंटली किंवा स्वतः आपण करू शकतो ही तुम्ही प्रत्येकाने मुलींनी तरी मनात जाणून ठेवायला पाहिजे. आणि प्रत्येकच बाबतीत जसं की शिक्षणात जसं तुम्ही पुढे जाता तसंच तुमचं हेल्थ वाईज बाकी गोष्टी करिअर, शिक्षण आणि सगळ्याच गोष्टींमध्ये तुम्ही पुढे असायला पाहिजे. आणि तेवढं कारण जेवढं आपण स्ट्रॉंग जेवढं स्वामी विवेकानंद म्हणतात की घरातली पहिला घर आनंदी असेल तर ते घर आनंदी असेल. त्यामुळे ज्या घरामध्ये महिला स्ट्रॉंग आणि आनंदी आणि चांगल्या असतात त्या घराची परिस्थिती वेगळी असते तर
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to call Sports Secretary Pragati to please felicitate Pawar ma'am. Please, ma'am, please come.